First, I like to look at my patient and see which areas they're concerned about. Typically, everyone is very well aware of their face and knows what they would like to improve. And so I like to see from different angles, and preferably in natural lighting, which areas they're concerned about. Of course, I'll take photos of the patient and then, depending on the area, place some numbing cream for about 20 minutes just to make the injection a little bit more comfortable. Once the numbing cream has been given enough time to work, I will clean the area thoroughly and make sure I cleanse the area with alcohol and then begin to inject, and making sure that I go very slowly, very incrementally, because I want to make sure that I am gently correcting the area that they want to improve and not overfill, because that's when things can look too artificial.